Hello and thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. This one's about how to delete your Instagram profile permanently. If you go ahead and go to Instagram.com, log in with your profile that you do want to remove. Now this is permanent. Go ahead and log into the email, hit the password, and then press login. And now that we're logged into that one, let's go ahead and open up a new tab. I'm using Google Chrome. You can do a quick Google search for anything related to delete Instagram profile or Instagram delete account. And then we're going to go to this help center, click on delete your account, Instagram help center. And we're going to check that box where it says, how do I delete my account? And now there is a go to delete your account page. This must be done on a desktop, okay? Make sure you're logged in again with the correct account so you don't delete one of your other ones. For me, I was just too busy and too distracting. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that button, scroll down, and you must put in your password. So enter your password again right here. And then there's a big red button at the bottom that says permanently delete my account. Go ahead and save that, click permanently delete. I don't need to save that because it's my old password. That's it, everything's gone. Thank you. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.